Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to schedule your Bank of America credit card payment. Open the website, then sign in with your online ID and passcode. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer/Zelle. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for transfer. Under Transfer, you will see an option that says Between My Bank of America Accounts. Click on Between My Bank of America Accounts. Now you have to select the payment amount and frequency. Since I selected Transfer Between My Bank of America Accounts, the From and To accounts will be automatically selected. To select the payment amount, click on the option you wish to choose, whether the total minimum payment due, statement balance, current balance, or other amount. In this example, I selected the total minimum payment due. You would notice that the frequency field disappeared once I clicked on total minimum payment due. However, if you would choose the other amount option, you could still select the frequency you wish to choose. After that, click on Next. Now you have to review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Schedule. Now you will see a message saying that your transfer is scheduled. That's how to schedule your Bank of America credit card payment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.